Okay, so this is the plan we are discussing about, ABSLI, Child
Yeah.
Future Assured Plan. I hope all of you can see my screen.
Mm.
Okay. Now, these are benefits that we will definitely speak about in the presentation. So, the minimum maturity sum assured is 4 lakhs. Okay, so the minimum premium here is about 30,000. You have what
Mm.
options you have is you can choose your policy payment term, all right, which is a minimum of 5 years and a maximum of 12 years.
Okay.
Okay, you can choose between education milestone benefit, marriage milestone benefit, or both education and marriage milestone benefit. Okay, I'll explain to you how to make those choices.
Mm.
Now, here you can choose a payout, three different options. Either you can choose for a 3-year payout, 6-year payout, or a 9-year payout. The percentages of the distribution of the fund is as described here. For a 3-year payout, it will be 30, 30, 40, and these. Don't get confused, I'll give you proper example for that
Yeah,
too.
yeah, yeah. Sure, sure.
Okay. So now here, this is one choice you can make. For example, if you're taking both education and marriage, then there is an option to increase the marriage milestone payout from 100% to 150 or 200%. We'll explain that too to
Mm.
you. Okay. Now, if in case, depending upon see, you will be paying for X amount of years, and then there will be a deferment period, and then you will start getting paid out. During the
Mm.
deferment period, you will be paid 6% per annum. Okay, so that's the percentage you will be getting for the deferment period, which is an additional to what your normal is. So if you are
So,
taking more of deferment period, your
huh.
amount will increase by another 6%.
So the amount will be paid to us, or will it be included in the capital and paid in later as per the distribution?
As per the distribution. So if you are choosing, say, for example, I pay for 10 years and then I don't take my payout
Mm.
until the 18th year. So there is a deferment period of 8 years. So apart
Mm.
from what I am supposed to get, I will also get 6% interest per annum for those 8 years additional.
Okay, so payment starts after 18th year only.
Bilkul,
In
bilkul.
reference to this example.
This example, yes. So if I have deferred
Okay.
and I am saying that I have taken the policy as soon as my child was born, or maybe
Mm.
in the first year, and then I say that okay, fine, I'll pay for 10 years. I only need the payment to come out when she is 18 years old, because उसका college के education के
Right.
time पे मुझे पहला payout चाहिए, तब तक it let it compound. So these are some enhanced cover options, which will go again later on. Now there are some riders as well. So if in case anything happens to you, this is a particular policy where you can take riders. Anything happening to you will ensure that all the benefits that we have given in writing now will be delivered. And if an eventuality happens, the remainder of the premiums will be paid by the company.
Okay.
Okay, now let's take this example. This example is of as mentioned here, age 35 is the father's age. Payment term, policy term is 29 years and payment
Mm.
term is 10 years. Annualized premium 1 lakh. Now, what happens is he pays from 0 year to the 10th year, 1 lakh rupees
Mm.
each. That means the total investment is of 10 lakhs. And the sum
Mm.
assured will be 18 lakh 65,846. Now, how does
Mm.
that come out? And this is what they have chosen. So there's an illustration of the payout. So here, if you see, that's 5 plus 2 plus 2. Total of 9 payouts is what they have chosen for in this plan.
Mm.
After paying out for 10 years, there was a 4-year deferment from the 14th year payment of 1,11,000 for 5 years, and then 1,67,000 for 2 years and 2,23,000 for another 2 years. So 9 years of payment has been taken in the education part. And then for the
Mm.
marriage benefit, they get a lump sum of 11 lakhs and 19 at the age of, I'm sorry, at the end of the policy term, which is 29 years in this example, right? So total amount paid was 10 lakhs and the total amount received was 24 lakhs and 62,000.
Mm.
Is it clear?
Yep.
Can I go ahead?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Perfect. So now here is the same option, same policy. However, the payout has been payout options has been brought down to six payouts. Okay, they again make a payment of 10. From the 15th year, four payouts have been taken out, and then two more. So in this case, there was no premium paid towards the marriage benefit.
Hmm.
They just it was 10 lakhs invested, and total policy term has also reduced from 29 years to 20 years. Everything else remains the same,
Hmm.
right? So six payouts was what was taken here. 10 lakhs was invested, 19 lakhs 19,000 was paid out. The first payout happened from the 15th year onwards. So four
Correct.
years ka
So this.
deferment, 15th year onwards, payout of 2.62 lakhs. Now this actually works. This is purely, if you look at the way how it has been distributed, it is purely based on your plus two and graduation. तो 15 साल की उम्र
Correct.
में ठीक है 2 साल का प्लस टू हो गया और अगर 3 साल का ग्रेजुएशन है तो 3 या 4 साल का ग्रेजुएशन है इंजीनियरिंग और उस तरीके से तो 4 साल का पे आउट
Hmm.
होता है.
Just give me a moment. Just give me.
Sure.
Sorry to have kept you waiting. Yeah.
No problem. Thank you.
Yeah.
All right. So here again, now in this particular case, this is marriage milestone. They haven't taken any payout. It is the same investment, 10 lakh rupees. Policy
Hmm.
term has been 29 years, but there has been no withdrawal at all because the entire policy was for the child's marriage. So here you look,
Right.
for the same 10 lakh rupees, the return is 34.21 lakhs. So basically, it is about the amount of money that you kept invested, so that what is the amount that is getting compounded. Okay.
Okay. So this is a guaranteed sum of 28 lakhs plus 20% loyalty additions. That comes to 34.
Correct. So these
Okay.
are all, this all will be in the illustration that will be provided to you, that these are the amounts of monies that are invested by you, and these will be the amounts that you will get at so and so, intervals based on what you are choosing as you are taking the plan. So you have
Right.
the entire flexibility of how to plan it. Now what we'll do here is there any doubts that you have? You can ask me now.
No, not as of now.
Okay. Now, what you need to understand is your requirements. Okay. You have a child, actually, a couple of them, who are 7 years old. You have a 7 year premium payment term, maximum of, and then we are saying a deferment of 4 years.
Yeah, 4 or 5 years.
So
It's
4 or 5
fine.
years. So that means if you're talking about seven, we start now. That means you will pay from the 8th year to say 15th year, and then you can take it out on the 19th year, 20th year, right?
Hmm.
So let me help you with
It's visible.
perfect. So now in this we can do some bit of workaround. So here the inputs are to be provided by you. I have taken your age 39, male,
Hmm.
child age 7. Okay.
Hmm.
Now select the premium input. What will be the amount that you plan to invest? Okay, you can take two or three so that you can
Take a minimum as 50,000. We'll calculate accordingly.
3,000. Okay,
Yeah.
and this will be deferred payout. Yes, you want it in different milestones, right? You don't want the entire lump sum to come to you in one shot.
We'll see both the options, how it works out.
So let's do the deferred payout because deferred
Yeah.
payout इसमें आपको both education and marriage.
Hmm.
ठीक है. Now एजुकेशन बेनिफिट कब स्टार्ट होना चाहिए? तो अपने प्लान के हिसाब से 7 + 7 14, 8 + 7 15 + 5 20 ले लो.
20. This is from
For
zero,
education.
okay? When
No,
we'll
no,
start the paying the premium from there till 20 years.
no. At
Then
the age of your
at the
child,
age of my child. So it will be 13 years from now.
which is 20. Perfect. And
Okay.
marriage benefit,
No, then do one thing. For education, reduce it down to 18.
18, and marriage 25. So that's
24. Make
24
it 24.
transaction.
Okay. Hmm.
Premium payment term 7 years, और
Make it
ये
5 years. 5 years. 5 years. 5 years.
5, and this will be 100%. Okay. Semi-annual. Will you be making these payments annually or semi-annually? मतलब हर 6 months में कि annually?
Monthly or quarterly is fine.
Quarterly. और enhanced insurance cover अभी नहीं लेते हैं. We'll discuss that later on. और payouts 3, 6 या 9?
3, 6, 9 is years, right?
Yeah.
So this will be commencing after
18th year. It will start on the 18th year. So it will be either 3 parts after 18, 6 parts after 18, or 9 parts after 18.
18 till 24. Between it's for education. Let's see for marriage what happens. Yeah, it's marriage. For marriage, it's fitting.
So marriage, it will be only one payout. So it's fitting there. So उसमें 6 payouts नहीं आएंगे, एक ही payout आएगा. So you invest a sum of 3 lakhs in 6 years and you get 5,89,000 at the end. This is still the death in case of any eventuality happening to you. This will be the amount that will be paid in addition to this amount.
Okay.
Okay.
So in the premium paying term, if the policyholder dies, suppose second or third year, make a consider assumption in the third year. So this is the amount that 3,668 plus this amount 589.
This will be paid only at this particular stage.
Okay, but it will be paid at that time.
Correct. But इसमें एक ही चीज आपको लेना है वो rider, this which will ensure that the remaining 3 payments are paid by the company.
Fine.
So this is one illustration, and what the sheet that you're seeing here now, this will be the same sheet you will get as our as your policy document also. So you know exactly कि मैंने कितना भरना है, किस stage पे क्या amount है. Most important aspect is now because sorry, go ahead.
Yeah, so this is the fixed amount that I'll be getting 589, nothing apart from that or no other additions.
No, because this is already calculated on. This is not market dependent policy.
Right.
So whether market goes up or you down, you know exactly what you have put in. You know exactly what you'll get out.
Okay. So if we now change the premium to 60,000 and make it for educational, let's see what happens.
Leaving everything else same. Now, education, you have taken 6 parts, right? So total investment will be 3,60,000 and the return will be 5,92,000 over a period of 6 parts. So from the 18th to the 24th year, you will get first 4 years, you'll get 80,736 and the last 2 years, you'll get 134,560.
Okay. And how is the tax paid on this? Means how much tax do we have to pay on the premium?
You have to only pay GST once, on the premium, but for whatever you're receiving, there is no tax.
Okay, and both are tax free, right? The returns as well as the investment.
All are tax free. Yes, investment can go into your tax exemption, and what you receive is tax free.
But this comes only under ATC, no? There is no other section.
Yes, these are basic insurances.
How much is the GST in percentage of the premium? What is it?
Year 4.5%, second year 2.25%.
Okay, 4.5% and 2.25% from the second year onward. 2,700.
Right. Not this one. I was going to just scroll down a little bit. यहाँ पे वो था ना. हाँ, this one. Yeah, sorry. Make it 3.
Okay. So I think this is a good planning. ठीक है. 18th year मतलब उनका 12th खत्म होता है 18th year में ना. So this can take care of the graduation expense.
So how much is this total amount coming to?
541.
541. Okay.
मतलब कि अभी आपका रिक्वायरमेंट पता चल गया अपने को, ठीक है? तो उस हिसाब से क्या कहते हैं, अभी ये वाला आपने देख लिया है, तो आपका रिक्वायरमेंट के अनुसार सिमिलैरिटी में एक दो ऑप्शन आपको हम ये क्या कहते हैं ऑन व्हाट्सएप या मेल पे भेज देते हैं, एंड देन
नो प्रॉब्लम. मतलब उसका नॉट नेसेसरी कि चाइल्ड बेनिफिट ही ऐसा कोई नाम होना चाहिए. यू कैन हैव समथिंग इन इन्वेस्टमेंट आल्सो.
आप कह रहे हो अभी ऑलरेडी आपके पास कौन सा इंश्योरेंसेस है?
नहीं है, आई एम जस्ट हैविंग अ हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस.
वो तो कंपनी प्रोवाइडेड है कि आपका खुद का?
नहीं, मेरा खुद का है, सिग्नेटिटी के.
Okay. Can I know what's your CTC annual?
8.
8. So 8 into 50, that means your term insurance should be 1.20 CR as of today. ठीक है, आपने पहले ये ले लिया, ये कवर कर लिया. इसमें भी बहुत अच्छे दो, जैसे आपने कहा ना पहले नहीं आता था, अभी दो अच्छे प्लान्स हैं. वन, अभी जैसे आप जो बाकी पार्ट कर रहे हो ना, नाउ जस्ट मेरे को ध्यान से सुनना और समझना, ठीक है. आपको
Sure.
ये मेरे को क्या लग रहा है कि जैसे आप कह रहे हो कि 1 लाख तक का है, 1 लाख में भी आप क्या कर सकते हो. जो 60 है ये तो बच्चों के लिए करो, वो भी एक इंपॉर्टेंट रिक्वायरमेंट है. दूसरा चीज, टर्म फॉर सेल्फ एंड वाइफ लो, ठीक है, सेल्फ प्लस वाइफ. और इसमें आप टर्म इस तरीके से लो कि आपका अमाउंट में जो बैठे उतना आप ईयर्स लेना. डोंट रिड्यूस द कवर. ओके, कवर विल बी 1 CR फॉर यू प्लस 50 lakhs फॉर योर वाइफ. एनीथिंग हैपेंस टू यू और योर वाइफ, ये पूरा का पूरा अमाउंट आप ऑलमोस्ट सोच सकते हो कि दिस इज द बेस्ट वे टू लीव अ लेगेसी फॉर योर चिल्ड्रन. ठीक है, एनीथिंग हैपेंस टिल द एज ऑफ, से फॉर एग्जांपल अपन 65 पकड़ के चलते हैं. एनीथिंग हैपेंस टू योर वाइफ, you get a 50 lakh corpus. Anything happens to you, she gets 1 crore as corpus. Anything happens to both of you before the age of 65, your children get 1.5 crores for fixed. ठीक है, इसमें बाकी कोई returns नहीं है. It is just that if anything happens, that at least I am leaving a legacy of a 1.5 crores for my children. It's a very safe bet. You look at the permutation combination. Let us be honest here. I mean, discussing death is not the right thing, which we all have to unfortunately do. But हम लोग वही बोलते हैं ना, पर उसको practically देखो तो सही. ठीक है. End of the day यार, ये हम लोग क्यों कर रहे हैं? हम लोग कमाने के लिए कर रहे हैं. जिंदगी भर में 1.5 करोड़ कमाना बहुत मुश्किल है.
राइट.
ठीक है, पर अगर एक तरीके से है, सेफ्टी है, तो कम से कम जितने लोगों को हम लोगों ने प्लान दिया, वो लोग कम से कम बोलते हैं यार कुछ हो गया तो टेंशन नहीं. और अगर मैं गलती से 65 के बाद जिया, तो मैं वैसे भी कुछ ना कुछ तो जमा करके जाऊंगा ना.
नो डाउट्स.
सो दिस इज अ वेरी गुड ऑप्शन. आई थिंक यू शुड थिंक अबाउट दिस वन ऑल्सो. सोच सके इसमें भी क्या लिमिटेड पेमेंट वाला ऑप्शन है, या लाइफ लॉन्ग पेमेंट का भी ऑप्शन है. अगर 65 तक है तो 60 तक आप ले रहे हो तो 60 तक ही पे करो. उसके बाद क्या है, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट एट द एज ऑफ 60 लॉट ऑफ सिचुएशंस हैव चेंज्ड फॉर यू. योर किड्स आर नो लॉन्गर योर रिस्पांसिबिलिटी, दे हैव ऑलरेडी बीन टेकन केयर ऑफ. उसके बाद एनीथिंग हैपेंस टू यू, इट्स फाइन, बट टिल देन यू हैव टू एंश्योर कि एनीथिंग हैपेंस टू मी, दे आर टेकन केयर ऑफ. सेम साइड में वंस यू हैव टेकन केयर ऑफ ऑल दीज थिंग्स, आपका जैसे जैसे सैलरीज बढ़ते रहेंगे, वी आर, एज आई सेड, वी आर हियर टू मेक अ रिलेशनशिप. कल के तारीख में आप बोलते हो सी यार मेरे पास थोड़ा और एक्स्ट्रा आ रहा है या बोनस आ रहा है, म्यूचुअल फंड्स में डालना शुरू करो. Mutual funds we don't suggest unless and until you have taken care of your security aspect, because mutual fund is investment. आप म्यूचुअल फंड में हर महीने पैसे डाल के ये एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर सकते हो कि मेरा फैमिली सिक्योरिटी हो चुका है. तो पहले फैमिली सिक्योरिटी कर लो, फिर जो बचेगा म्यूचुअल फंड्स में भी डालना, उसमें भी आपको 10% मिलेगा. तो जैसे आप वो कॉर्पस बढ़ाते जाओगे, वो आपका रिटायरमेंट फंड बन जाएगा. तो लेट्स नाउ लुक एट द की टेक. एनी अदर क्वेश्चंस यू हैव?
नॉट एज अ क्वेश्चन.
So you've seen how easy it is to get complete information about any insurance product that you're interested in at the comfort of your home. So if you want a session for yourself, there's a link in the description below. Fill in your details and we'll get in touch with you. Thank you all for watching this. Have a good and blessed day.